Hello children, welcome back to grade 4 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I am going to solve curriculum worksheet number 8. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to recall the storage devices and solve the curriculum worksheet number 8. Children, let's open our curriculum worksheet number 8 and solve activity number 4. State whether the given statements are true or false in the provided box below. 1. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Children, can you say whether the statement is true or false? It is false. The correct answer is RAM stands for Random Access Memory. 2. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Children, can you guess whether this statement is true or false? It is false. The correct answer is 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 3. The set of characters like alphabets, digits or special characters that represent facts or figures is known as data. Children, can you recall the information on storage devices? Yes, this statement is true. 4. It is easy and faster to access data from external memory. Children, can you say whether this statement is true or false? Yes, it is true. 5. Internal memory stores information for a longer period. Children, whether this statement is true or false? It is false. The correct answer is internal memory stores information for a short period. Children, hope you understood this activity. Let's solve activity number 5, multiple choice questions. 1. The instruction stores in dash cannot be changed but can only be read. Options: A. RAM, B. ROM, C. hard disk. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. ROM. 2. Name the CD on which data can be erased and rewritten many times. Options are A. CD-ROM, B. ROM, C. CD-RW. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, the correct answer is CD-RW. RW stands for read and write. 3. A flash drive can store up to dash of data. Options are A 4 TB, B 2 TB, C 1 TB. Children, got the answer? Yes, the correct answer is option C 1 TB. 4. Internal memory is also known as dash. Options: A main memory, B primary memory, C both A and B. Children, got the answer? Yes, it is option C, both A and B. 5. The data stored in the computer memory is measured in dash. Option A bytes, B points, C pixels. Children, got the answer? Yes, option A bytes. Children, hope you understood this activity. Let's end our session with home play. 6. Which storage device has the highest storage capacity? Options: A CD, B pen drive, C hard disk. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, the correct answer is hard disk. Hope you understood these activities. Let's end our session with the home play. 1. Complete the curriculum worksheet number 8. Children, activity number 2. Prepare a scrapbook on storage and memory devices. Hope you will complete these two home plays. Thank you.